type 9. Type 9. Type 9.
morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Everyday Growth Advisors live stream. It's Recap Friday. I hope you're all having a great morning today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure that you put the new ticker vote in the chat right now so that we can have a tabulation later. We'll be doing a new ticker next week, as usual. As usual. And for those that haven't joined our Discord yet, the link is in the bio if you want to go have a crack at it. If you want to go have a look at what we offer, something that you guys should definitely have a look and see. Discord's been doing extremely well. I think everyone's really excited and really happy with the way things are going over here. Some really nice members have been interacting here. We have almost 50 odd people here now in this Discord community, and I'm really happy that everybody's interacting with everyone. Lots of EGA alumni. If you want to be a part of a tight-knit community where we do things together on a daily basis, we live trade together every single day in an educational manner, and we don't chase, we don't go for clout, we don't go for those 1000% plays. We go for the most responsible plays. We wait, we are patient, we are like lions, we hunt in a pack. Then make sure you join our Discord. Put out some important stuff today. We have that pre-market going, the post-market going, the daily snipe list, the playbook that comes out once weekly, and then I'm gonna do a monthly technical analysis, some fundamentals coming in. Today I just issued 2 new alerts for long-term plays. Yeah, lots of good stuff here, guys. And not to mention our supercharged bots, which not only just give you the information that you're looking for, but much more. The volumes, the open interest, the implied volatilities, the deltas, the thetas, and even the kind of trade that it is. Whether it's an ask trade, whether it's above ask, and all the smart flow, the smarter flow, the 1 million flow, and my most amazing setup so far, the potential flow, which are really fire. These are straight up fire. Yesterday we got an alert about Tesla coming in early in the day when it was at 755, and Tesla later went on to rally to 800 some. The same with Peloton, the same with OPK, the same with Disca, the same with Dada. All of these stocks that were fired on this scanner were amazing intraday setups. Not to mention the dark pools, not to mention your own stock bot, not to mention tweets from all the important places, all localized in one specific channel for you, so that you don't have to go about running like a crazy person looking at Twitter. Everything in one place for you so that you can have a look at it. Okay, this is the benefit of being a part of the Discord. Not to mention daily office hours where we answer questions every single day, confessions where we are constantly sharing with each other our mistakes and how we should get over them, trade recaps, not just profits, but losses too, okay? Losses as well, because losses are to be celebrated as well, all right? An entire library of 5 gigabytes of data. Yeah, guys. And the snipe list just came out, so it's a no-brainer, guys, and I'm going to be adding much more things to this Discord. This is my biggest achievement till date, and I'm really happy about what we have done here. Not to chase clout. It's just really the main focus here is create an educational community where people can really trade together and be a formidable force in this market. Okay. So, welcome into the morning live stream. This will always be here. Some key things that are happening. Top news, Democrats, they want to impeach Trump again, possibly, right? Second member of Trump's cabinet quits over Capitol riot. Trump averts mass resignation crisis as riot tests loyalty. Trump concedes Biden will take office, condemns Capitol attack. And then may defeat new variants. Okay. Pfizer's shot may defeat the new virus even. Okay. What else? Hyundai in talks with Apple. Boeing to pay a $2.5 billion fine for the 737 MAX. And then don't forget that today we have a jobs report. Okay. Oh, it already just came out. So let's see. On non-farm payrolls. Oh man, a little worse than expected. Damn. Unemployment rate a little better than expected. Okay, this is gonna kind of cancel each other out, I guess. Correction day? I don't know. Yesterday we had quite a strong rally, right? I say correction day, maybe. But then logic has failed me this past week, honestly. The market has been so unpredictable, it's been insane. I'm just going to go off what key levels break and what key levels don't break. So far, we've been breaking all key levels, so not really sure how I feel about this. Samsung stocks are up on a chip outlook. And then, what else? Yeah, nothing much on Bloomberg here. Goldman Sachs in pre-market movers. And also, I would watch the banks here. The banks have been performing pretty well. We're watching all the banks. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley. Remember how I've been talking about the SPX for a while, and now those are finally coming to light. This is something we've been talking about in this live stream for a little while now, right? Okay. Let's see. We did a intrinsic valuation with the Wave 13 of the mentorship course today, where we valued both Disney and Boeing as businesses. That was pretty fun. Boeing is still severely undervalued. As per my previous valuation, it's still severely undervalued. Still a great stock to own at these prices. Micron forecasted second revenue growth above Wall Street estimates. What else? Moderna, shots arriving in France. Elon Musk is now the richest man in the world, apparently, right? Lots of interesting stuff. Okay. Upgrades and downgrades. Domino's Pizza. We had a price cut. That was a notable one. Let me see what else from the Discord. Pre-market here. Bed Bath & Beyond. Lots of wishy-washy. Chipotle raise of a price target from $1,200 to $1,265. CVS raised to a buy from a hold at Jeffries. LB raising price targets. McDonald's raising price targets. Micron raising price targets from 85 to 110 in general across the board. Pinterest price targets raised. I haven't looked at MU actually for a while. Great stock to own long term as well. Nice 4-hour chart here. Really nice consolidation. Could be setting up for, potential run up here. It's already, excuse me, it's already running up. Okay, that's about it. Not much else going on here. Okay, make sure you guys put the new ticker of the week into the chat so that we can consider it for the next week. It's going to be a pretty short live stream today until unless you guys have ticker breakdowns for me to do. I don't have a lot of things to say apart from the fact that this week has been a very, very interesting week for me. Just like a kind of a life update here. It's been 1 week since this Discord has been launched. Been getting into a new kind of a rhythm here. Spending a lot of my time and focus into this Discord, making sure that everybody is having a great time, making sure that the resources over here are accurately being used, making sure that people are engaged, people are part of these live trading sessions. I really, really enjoy spending my time being over here. If you want to be a part of the inner tribe, this is where you will find me. Also, a quick update on the Everyday Growth Advisors mentorship course. If you were planning to take wave number 14, The next wave will be opening up for registration on this Friday, okay? This coming Friday. Not today, but the next Friday, okay? So you will be able to sign up when you click on courses. You go down here and you click here, sign up on the Friday. I'll be opening it up. Not now. I'll be opening this up only on Friday, okay? You will be able to sign up on that day, okay? On the Friday. So on the 15th. That will be the intermediate course, all right, where I'll be teaching about spreads, like married put and call options, vertical spreads, defensive option strategies, how you should roll over contracts, when you should roll over contracts, when is the right time to roll, and then risk management strategies, which will be further breaking down how you can use those rolls, and then protective caller puts on day number 2. The covered call strategy, how you can make dividend income from stocks that you already own, or if you want to have a cycle where you are already selling premium, how do you go about doing that? Okay. The wheel cycle, and then what's going on with this? Oh, there it is. On day number, what the heck? There we go. Okay. I was like, what the heck is going on with this thing? It's not letting me do anything. What? Okay. Day number 4, straddles and strangles. This is purely to take advantage of high volatility events. And then Friday, butterfly spreads and iron condor strategy. This will be to take advantage of low volatility events. Okay. And then, of course, the 2 live trading sessions and all classes will be recorded and sent by email. As usual, live Q&As, everything. This will be an important course to take. This will be the only intermediate course offered for a while, okay? Because let me just let you guys know that in February, sometime in February, within the first to second week, there is another course coming, which is going to be the technical analysis course, okay? And the technical analysis course is going to be something that you guys are definitely going to want to put on your calendar for, or save up for. That's a course that I'm going to be creating that is going to be really something that you have not seen before, okay? So just putting it out there. Also next week, I officially start on the 15th with my 3rd quarter for my master's program. I only have, how many more to go? Let's see. So let's see. I'm done with this, done with this, I'm done with this, and I'm done with this. This quarter, I'm going to be doing financial statement analysis and investments and equity analysis. This will be for winter from January to March. And then I have just 2 more quarters. And then I'm done with my master's, guys. 40 units completed and out of the way. So should be great. Literally have 1, 2, 3 more quarters. I'm halfway there. I'm halfway there for my master's. Halfway there. Kind of looking forward to this classes and then these ones, especially since I'll be also doing derivatives in Q4. This is the 4th quarter. And so sometime in April and June, I'll be learning about the Black-Scholes model, derivative markets, fixed income, which are bonds and stuff like that. So as you follow me in my journey, I'm going to be learning more and more as well. See, remember, my motto in life is learn, compound, grow. And so as this time goes on, I'm going to be learning, I'm going to be growing, and you guys will be along with the ride for me to pick up exactly what I learned. I'm going to share it with you guys. I don't believe in like, oh, I've learned something, so I'm not going to share it. No, you'll be part of my learning process. And so, you know, I'm very transparent with my life, and so you guys know exactly what I'm doing and when I'm doing it. So I'm really looking forward to these 2 quarters in particular. Should be great. So yeah, that's that. So far, definitely have close to a 4.0 GPA. So let's see if I can continue that. Already keeping track of things that I have to do here, and it's going to be an interesting quarter. So yeah, that's a couple of life updates. Thought I should let you guys know. All right, let's see. Okay. Top of the morning. What's up? What's up? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. That was a nice intro. Thank you, M. Appreciate that. What's good? X marks the spot. How you doing, man? Big City Sound. What up? What up? Already joined the Discord. Yeah, Albert. I was talking to you yesterday. Thanks for doing that, and welcome you to the EGA tribe, man. I'm hoping that you like it there. If you like the Discord so far, throw a fire emoji in the chat. Yo, I'm on Team EGA. Welcome to Team EGA. Wait, I'm on Team EGA too because we are tribe. We all took both beginner and intermediate class. That's right, you did, Mark. Let's see. Top of the morning. What's up, Drew? Race. Okay, SRPT $50 put sell for 219. It's down more than 50% pre-market due to disappointing gene study results. SRPT. Let's see. Jesus. What in the world? Well, the main thing about that is if you want to sell a put, the defining factor is not the fact that it got sold off though. Oops, let me use a different color. See, the thing is like the defining factor for you to sell a put is not that it got sold off. The defining factor for you to sell a put, Santosh, is if the IVs are high. What's the IVs going to be like for those puts? If the IVs are the 200 percentile, then yeah, hell yeah, go sell it. But if the IVs are like still, if people are not buying puts, if it's people have unloaded shares, remember, if the share price is depressed, it doesn't mean that puts are expensive. You get what I'm saying? There's a difference. So you have to wait till the market opens to decide on that one. New ticker Race, new ticker CRM, new ticker Veil, new ticker Riot. Let's see. Any thoughts on how these chip stocks, LRCX, ASML, AVGO, keep on going up? Well, chip stocks are very hot right now. You know, as we continue to move into this territory, LAM Research, man, this stock was great to own during the crash. If you think about this stock, if you were to purchase it during the crash, it was trading at $177 and now it's like $500. SPG new ticker. Is there any way you can email me the beginner's course? Nathan, did you take the beginner's course? If you did, just drop me a message on Discord or Instagram or something so I can, or actually, hold up, don't do that. Please email this email right here. support@lowincompoundgrow.com. Email me, give me your email address that you signed up the course with. I'll validate that you were part of the beginner's course, and then tell me what you want from which wave you were from which cohort you were from, and then I can send you what you need. Okay. Woohoo, that's what's up. Good luck to you finishing up my master's in ME this spring. Nice, man, Alex. I know how difficult it is because I'm doing the same thing. So congratulations, dude. I can't wait to graduate in September as well. Blizzard incoming, snow. Okay. Let's see. I'm certain I'll be part of 14th wave. Nice, Aaron. We hope to see you there. Absolutely hope that you'll be part of it. New ticker, Twitter. Okay. Ooh, Twitter. That's not a bad one. Okay. I see you, Iqbal. I see you. Not a bad idea. I like Twitter. We haven't done something like Twitter in a long while. Like we haven't done Twitter at all. If you guys want to see what are the tickers we have done so far, it's right here. Wait, not here. Yeah, it's here. Oh wait, not here. Here. Let's see. No, I'll pay right now. Nathan, you can't join the beginner's course right now. because it's closed. The registration's closed. You'll have to join next month, which is when Wave 15 will be around. So we'll have a intermediate course over here, and then another break, and then you'll have to join on the 29th for Wave number 5, and then once you sign up, you'll get emails daily on Monday through that Friday from the 1st to the 5th with the recordings of those lessons. It's the same. It's like on demand. If you don't want to sign up for the class and sit through it, it's the same process. You just get sent those lessons to your email daily. That's it. You'll still be a part of the tribe though. So that's how you do it. You don't sign up now. You don't pay anything right now because you can't. The website is the course signups are actually closed. We only open up the course signups before we enroll. If you have rebalanced your portfolio for 2021, can you provide some insights? Santosh, I'm going to be working on a report that is going to be posted sometime in the next week or so. So this coming week, I'm going to be putting out a report for the EGA tribe members, which is going to be my analysis for 2021. It's going to be on the EGA Discord. That is going to be the yearly report. For many of you that know, I put out a yearly report every year. Last year, I think, I don't know if I have it here, but let me see if I do. Maybe I don't have it here. No. Yeah, definitely don't have it here. It's gonna be on my, I think it's gonna be, or no, it's not here. I'll show you the report some other time, but I'll be doing a report once again for this year. Last year's report was pretty fire. I liked it. We accurately called out the tech run in China. This year I'll be looking to make another report that is such, so stay tuned for that. Key secular trends, things that you should watch out for this year. You know, the continued expansion, also what you should be looking out for with the democratic leadership for the next 4 years, etc., etc. Those will be all things that we'll be looking at. New ticker Twitter twice now. Okay, I see y'all. New ticker Tesla. You want me to value Tesla? You know that stock is overvalued. New ticker CGC, Canopy Group Company, is that it? New ticker Square. Have we done Square before? I feel like no, we haven't, huh? Square is also not a bad choice, but I can guarantee you it's overvalued. Nike, that's a good one as well. I like it. Okay, I see you, Jacob. TTCF, what is that? TTCF. Tattooed Chef. What is that? Guys, do you all remember a while back, like, I don't know, a couple months back, I told you guys about this company called the Rail Rail. I don't know if if you guys remember, I called this one out when it was like $7 or $8. Like, I was like, guys, this might be a hype stock, might be like a FOMO Momo stock, like it was trading at $8 back then. And look at where it is now. Freaking $24, guys. My brother-in-law, he bought like, I don't know, like 2,000 shares of this company or something crazy. New ticker Plug, new ticker Zoom, new ticker Plug. First day of the live, on the live. Apple is my favorite stock. Most my trade is on Apple. Okay. We could also do Apple. I wouldn't mind. But we just did Amazon. I'm trying to diversify the sectors we do a little bit. I don't want to like go just standard like tech, you know, like I want to mix it up a little bit. Because look at the tickers that we've done. All right. So let's go through it. Alibaba, Walmart, Lululemon, CrowdStrike, Boeing, Disney, Microsoft, ExxonMobil, Starbucks, Goldman Sachs, Chipotle, Caterpillar, Neo, Roku, Intel, AMD, UPS, DocuSign, Teladoc, Salesforce, PayPal, Raytheon, ETE, Next Era Energy, Shopify, and Amazon. So let's maybe pick something that will be good for this year. So key secular trends that will rebound: financials and energy. Okay, these are two sectors. We could do a financials company if you guys want. We didn't do PayPal yet, did we? I don't think we did. Oh, we did PayPal. Sorry. We could do a bank if you guys like. I would like a valuation of AT&T. That's another one we could do. So I would say let's go with financials. You guys down to go for financials? We have done a bank before though. We've done, I think it was Goldman Sachs. That's the one we did. JP Morgan is the best, is the leading one among all of them in my opinion. JP Morgan is the best one. If you want, we could do JP Morgan. T or JP Morgan. So he says T or JP Morgan. Okay. JP Morgan is one of my favorites, but not invested, but love Chase. Okay. JP Morgan, yeah? Everybody's saying JP Morgan now? Look at that. Everybody's like, JP Morgan, JP Morgan, JP Morgan. Yeah, I like JP Morgan. It's one of the better ones, to be honest. And then somebody's saying Plug. Plug is... Jesus, man, this stock is crazy. Okay, the problem with it... Let me explain to you. I really wouldn't mind analyzing a company like this, but like, okay, let me tell you something. Even if I do, though, what actionable insight are you going to get to do, like, what are you going to be able to do when I do, validate this company and say, okay, the intrinsic valuation is here. If the intrinsic valuation is here and then we find out that the intrinsic valuation is here, then you can't even trade this because look at where it is. It's like, it's gone, right? It's gone. You can't do anything with it. So it's like, I just would rather not do a stock that's moving like this. I would rather do a stable stock. And I know financials was lagging from last year. This has a lot of room to go still. We haven't broke out of the all-time highs yet. JP Morgan can still rally, okay? Obviously, it needs a corrective wave down first before it does that. But still, it could keep going, okay? It could keep going. So this is one that I like as well. Wells Fargo Chase is also not bad, I would say, but then makes up a smaller cap of the financials. MasterCard is another one. AXP. Remember SYF is another one I was talking about. You guys remember SYF? I was talking about SYF for when did I start talking about SYF? I told you guys about Venmo. Remember who was the one who was issuing cards for Venmo? It was SYF. I was talking about that when we were here at 29 bucks. It's now at 37. We had the huge run up. We've been talking about financials and energy for a long time before it happened, guys. You guys know this. I spoke about this for a long time ago. Before even this broke out, we spoke about it on the live stream. If you've been attending this live stream regularly, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Even like energy, look at energy, right? It's about to break out again. OPEC's gonna meet again. I think it's today or something. So if they continue to cut oil production, then we'll see energy companies possibly see another retrace. Okay, so are we assuming that it's JP Morgan? Let's do a final vote. So between JP Morgan and what was the other ticker? Let's see. Twitter, right? Or yeah, Twitter. Twitter was the most voted one, right? Okay, everybody vote based on these two. Would you rather JP Morgan or Twitter? Vote now. I would prefer JP Morgan, obviously, because I think that has considerable upside. Considering how we've been talking about SPX, considering how we're talking about monetary policy changing, we're talking about how the low interest rate environment is changing, we're talking about how bonds are changing. You can see how bonds are being affected by the 10-year, right? Bonds are getting cheaper, right? That means rates are increasing. If rates are increasing, what does that mean? If rates for bonds are increasing, that means rates for the risk-free rates are adjusting. That means banks are going to start making more money, okay? And then take that, you couple that together with the fact that the economy is about to rebound, Consumer spending is going to be on the rise, right? If we get vaccines rolled out properly, we'll see again that cause bank spending to consumer spending to increase. If global travel rebounds, that's net benefit for banks once again. Lots of upside for banks. Lots of upside. Okay, let's see. Pretty spread here. We have, what do we see here? JP Morgan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twitter, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. That's it, guys? Come on, you gotta vote, man. There's 63 of you on this live stream right now. And by the way, while you're at it and you're typing something in the box, just hover your mouse over and click the like button. Because, you know, support the EJ tribe. If you can. We want this tribe to grow. JP Morgan, Twitter, JP Morgan. Okay, JP Morgan it is then, guys. Alright, sounds good. We'll do JP Morgan. It is JP Morgan, it is. It is. Alrighty then. We got it. Easy. Okay, awesome. Let me answer some of these questions up here. Were there any ticker breakdowns that you guys needed me to do? We have a lot of time today on this live stream. Oh, actually, you guys asked me all the questions already. All right. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Let's look at the pre-market movers here real quick. Sundial Growers down. Okay. Gold Star, whatever this is. Future Tech. Okay. This company down freaking 50%. This company down 20%. Let's see. Lion Group Holdings. Okay. NEO up 5% pre-market. You know, who has been on the NEO run with us since we called it out? Honestly, who in this live stream has been on the NEO run with us since we called it out? This thing has paid massively, man. Big time, right? Ever since we had the downtrend, I put this out. What the heck happened to my chart? This was that downtrend. We called the breakout right here. And then we alerted you guys on the live stream. This went up. Touched this, came down. And for the second time, we alerted you guys again here for the live stream. We said this is consolidating again. And then, boom. It's been a rocket ever since. Literally, we have given you 2 waves. And both times, we've had a $10 wave. And then we've had a almost $15 wave. It's been insane. Insane. FYI, I think this stock will continue to run higher. Just FYI. You know, really nice curve like pattern here. Micron up 3%, New Relic up 7%, Grubhub up 5%, Tesla up another 4% to $856 now. Tesla will be at $1,000 before you guys know it. Yeah, Tesla's going to be $1,000 very soon. Been in Neo calls before Christmas at $45. Nice, dude. Landon, you must have made a killing on those. Called out at $40 on the Discord. Yep, exactly. Neo, the new Tesla. Yeah, seems like it, huh? Looks like it too. Amazon, also looking very... What the heck is going on with my charts today? What is going on? Why are all my lines gone? Oh, I know why. Damn, bro. I was scared as heck. I was like, what is going on? So Apple is back into this megaphone pattern. I don't know if you guys have seen. You know, I drew this out a little bit. Now it's kind of like here. I want to say more towards here. It's back into our channel. It could make that move up as we have projected. We like the long-term upside on this one. I highlighted 2 swing trades on our Discord yesterday. These contracts that we found. Just going to give you guys a little bit of game here for the free, since you guys are, you know, loyal members of the DJI tribe. We highlighted these 2 pieces of flow yesterday. Apple calls for March 19th, $145 strikes. There was $1 million in premium put in those. Open interest on those contracts about 13,000 and about 3,000 contracts traded yesterday. These were traded above the ask. The delta on those contracts is about 0.3, so this was a really good one. Implied volatility wasn't that high neither, 39%. That was within our range of acceptability. The Facebook calls also, which were highlighted yesterday, 19th of February, 280 strikes, sweeps as well, 1 million in premium. Same guy probably bought this, two contracts at the same time, betting on the upside. Implied volatility at 40%, 17,000 open interest with deltas at 4.42 for this one. These were 2 pretty good ones if you want to have a look at those. So yeah. You always get free game when you come to the Everyday Growth Advisors mentorship, or you come to the Everyday Growth Advisors live stream, guys. We're always going to teach you new things. Let's have a look at snow. Somebody's saying it's up pre-market. Yeah, this is looking great as well. Looks great. You know, if we can hold above this level here today, that will be nice for snow, right? Consolidation above this key level. This is your support here, and then maybe play this to the upside. This stock can definitely make a rebound. Absolutely, I agree. Okay. I was in on the first wave, didn't get into the second. Think it's a good idea to maybe take lottos today. Jason, I would do it only if it breaks out of that key level. I believe you're talking about NEO, right? If it breaks out of the key level with good volume and momentum, and then test the key level for support, then yeah, definitely go for it. This key level right here. It's already above this key level, right? Pre-market. So it broke out, but then it needs to like rally, come down, test this, bounce, and then head to the upside. So that is where you enter. Don't chase this top over here. Amazon looks like Tesla before it popped. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm looking at too. Amazon is one that I want to play. I've already issued an alert for this stock. It's on the Discord. If you sign up, you'll know about it. And that trade that I posted for Amazon is a 1 to 6 risk to reward trade. It's not just calls, it's a spread. You can play a spread with Amazon for a decent profit target that will give you a 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. Let's see. I have a Fubo Soul put 30, 115, hold for assignment wheel. I'll roll for a credit. It's next week expiry. To be honest, I would hold it for now. If it breaks below this channel and goes down, heads down to the 28, 26 range, like here, then next week, what you can do is buy back that contract and roll it forward. That's what I would do, depending on how you intend to collect the credit on it, or depending on how much credit you collected for that $30 put. Thoughts on Nike? Could be going to all-time high today. Okay. No problem, man. Absolutely. Nike, yeah. It does look like that. Jacob, I like it, but then the only thing that's throwing me off here is the low volume. But then volume could come in, so watch this one intraday though. Watch it intraday, I guess. If it breaks all-time high, then I think that may be a good one. Home Depot, 300 calls for 319. Okay. Yeah, so I like playing Home Depot, by the way. I like the stock. Let me get rid of this stupid volume profile. There you go. Let's see. $300 strike is a bit too far, Jason, for March. I think 300 is a bit too far. You should have gone something like 280, or you know, like if you say this and this is the 2 points, then you should take something in the middle, which is 284 or 282, something like this, somewhere here. And the reason why you do that is because if you are believing that this is the bottom and this is going to be a swing trade, then what you're going to do with that is on the way up, you're playing a nice Russian gamma up to this point, right? Gamma accelerates to the point when the contract gets in at the money. Here, you achieve peak gamma. So the acceleration is the peak here of your contract. Then you get to stack delta if it falls or it breaks above your demand, your supply zone here. So you get to stack this part here is your peak delta. You get the best of both worlds. NVIDIA, 600 calls. Oh yeah, I like this one. Absolutely. 600 though? Damn, son. You're betting on like all-time high, all-time high. For what date you said? 19th? Yeah. I want to play NVIDIA run-up. Yeah. NVIDIA looks decent here, for sure. I like NVIDIA. Looks good. Looks prime for a breakout, for sure. It's behaving very like it's consolidating nicely. It's been holding this level for a long time. You know, I bet you if I put the VPRP on this one, it's gonna be like, yeah, look at this. Look at the amount of consolidation of volume within this range here. Look at this. So right now, very soon, you're gonna have to go either way. It's either up or down. There's lack of volume here and there's lack of volume here. So there has to be a volume liquidity push somewhere on either side. Workhorse at all-time high too. Wow, really? I'm just waiting for my options account to get approved right now. I already funded it with 10K so that we can start this journey. So just so you guys know, people who are here right now, I'm going to be holding webinars every Sunday with the Discord community to go through our play-by-play every week. Okay. So if you're not part of the community, I highly recommend you to consider being a part of it, because this portfolio that we're going to be managing, the 10K right here, is going to be primarily used to sell premium against. I'm going to be using this $10,000 to sell premium, and whatever money that we make from there, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a proper dividend portfolio out of it. Okay, so really slow, consistent growth throughout the year. And then of course we're going to do some DGen plays as well once in a while. We'll take some lotto plays. We'll do some earning reports. When we have a little bit of a bankroll built up, we are willing to risk 1 to 2% somewhere. We'll take a couple of lotto plays and we'll play those. See if we can grow the portfolio that way as well. High probability trades. All right, this will be starting on Monday, just FYI. So if you want to be a part of that whole journey, I highly recommend you to sign up before Monday. And then I'll be also picking up, so every time I buy a new stock, I'll alert you guys. What I'm going to try and do is run a webinar on Sundays, maybe on YouTube. Maybe you guys want me to run a webinar on Sundays to update you guys on the portfolio, the positions that I take here on YouTube. I mean, I could do it. I don't really mind. It's for the community anyway. So you guys know that y'all are my #1 priority. So I don't mind doing it. But give me some feedback so I know what you guys want. I like Beyond as well, Santosh. I'm looking at it. It's just that... hold on. Let me see this first. I opened this for a reason. Okay, so Workhorse is now a candidate to sell calls against. If you're feeling bearish about this company, like at this supply zone up here, you can easily sell calls for a nice little penny here. Sell some $30, $31 calls. Interesting. This is not even that worth it. Maybe it's because it's not even worth it to sell these calls. Never mind, scratch that. This is just $2. Your capital outlay would be $3,000. You're only making like what? Not even 10%. This is like 8%. Okay, that's not Workhorse is not a premium candidate. I mean, we'll have to see how it opens up today, but yeah. What was the other one? Beyond, right? Beyond. Yeah, I've been watching Beyond. It's on my watch list. We're waiting for this bottom out pattern here. 2 consecutive waves with higher highs here, and we'll be in this one for the upside. Entry somewhere around 135, somewhere around there. That's where we will be entering this one to the upside. Nothing as of yet, though. This could still go rejection and go bye-bye. Remember to wait for a confirmation, man. Appreciate your review with the VIX for a swing trade February expiration. The VIX. Yeah. Not a bad idea. If the VIX hits $22.50, yeah, you should probably take some. $22.20 even. This right here, support, major support. Not a bad spot to buy UVXY, honestly. Not a bad spot at all. Let's see what the IVs are on those. Damn, 100%. Yo, the January ones, the mid-January ones are 500%. Remember how I've been talking about how mid-January is the point where I see a correction happening? I've been talking about that for a month now. But end of January looks a bit better. 1 week before the end of January looks a little better. I mean, these are relatively cheap, but then I still see, okay, like even if you get like a $11 call here, you know, 86 cents, that's not bad. But the IVs on this are like 136% though. It's crazy. I don't know. I just personally wouldn't trade UVXY. I would do QQQ puts. Just much easier and more cost effective to trade these. More liquid too. Blink 115 2021 $46 calls. I like it. Yeah, I like this one. Possible upside. Breakout from, but then also the problem is though, like, yeah, I mean you could take it. I think that it's decent. Volume has been accumulating steadily here. Piton 165 319. This is up already pre-market. Peloton. Okay, this is good if it breaks out here, and if it consolidates above, comes back down to validate this as a support, then yes, you get the bounce. You can enter this to the upside. I think the 164, 165 even, yeah, that's good. That's good. I like it, Landon. It's a good trade. Only thing that really throws me off here is lack of volume, but I think you can mitigate that, to be honest. Momentum. Seems Gucci. Watch out for these Chinese stocks too, guys. IQ has been running a little bit. Consolidation, looks like it wants to break out again. And then you also have Baidu. This one, oh my god, look at that. 20-something dollar move pre-market, 8%. Baidu, up. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. That's crazy. Funny thing is, ARK just bought in shares of this company yesterday. And this one too. They bought a huge position in this company yesterday. The ARK group. Caterpillar downside is still in play, I would say. Let's see if we can get it. Or are we just going to have a complete flush up today? The Dow is looking weak here. This one's also on the move. I don't know if you guys saw it. Big C. It's up 11% yesterday. That's another one. And that kind of wraps it up. You think we can get you think we can get to 60 likes before we get out this stream? We have 40, almost, well, 39. You guys want to do me a solid and hit the like button real quick? Because, you know, I love you guys. You know. That would be appreciative. All right, well, 44 likes. Okay, let's see. So next week, ticker of the week will be JP Morgan. I like that stock. We'll be covering it. Remember, investment banks are a little different to cover. We got the valuation metrics for those businesses are a little different too. I'll do some research about that one and give you guys a breakdown next week. Once again, if you want to sign up for the Discord, link is in the chat, pinned message. Go sign up. We'll see you on the trading floor at the Everyday Growth Advisors official Discord channel. We do some fire calls there. We'll be trading live together every single day. And then let's see. Yeah, guys, have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend off. This is going to be personally a very I'm going to take some time to myself this weekend on Saturday and just decompress. Actually, not really, because tomorrow morning it's going to be the final day of the Wave 13 classes. So I won't actually be free until the noon. And then right after that, I'm going to have to do a couple of reports that I want to get out to the Discord. So be doing lots of that. And then, yeah, I'll probably have some really... I think I'm just going to go have like like some Macallan, man, in the night. I just feel like it's a whiskey kind of weekend this weekend. Maybe pour myself a Macallan 18, just chill, vibe, get some music on, you know, just have a great weekend. And see you guys fresh and early on Monday on the live stream. It'll be a new week, and next week we will have new things coming up. So I appreciate you guys supporting me, follow me on the journey. Have a great weekend, guys, and I love all of you. So take care, and I will talk to you guys soon. Peace out.